For black ants, just finding food is a mammoth expedition. Back home, there's a colony of 5,000, and how they feed them is little short of miraculous. They've become aphid farmers. They tickle them to make them release drops of honeydew, a sweet liquid aphids secrete when feeding on sap. But amongst the flock, there is a wolf. Ladybugs are aphid predators. The ants counterattack with powerful jaws and a spray of formic acid. But there are some aphid killers even an army of ants can't beat. They will have to forage elsewhere.